हेलो एंड वेलकम फ्रेंड्स, आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आज के हमारे वीडियो में। मैं दीपक इस वीडियो में आपको बताने वाला हूँ कि आप कैसे विंडो मेमोरी डायग्नोस्टिक टूल का यूज़ करके अपने मेमोरी एरर्स को जो कि आपके लैपटॉप और कंप्यूटर्स में आते हैं नॉर्मली, जिससे कि आपका लैपटॉप और कंप्यूटर की परफॉर्मेंस स्लो हो जाती है। जैसे आप देख सकते हैं कि इस टूल का यूज़ करने के लिए आपको किन किन चरणों का अनुगमन करना है। तो चलिए इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको सर्च बार ओपन करना है। यहाँ पर आपको टाइप करना है CNP, कंट्रोल पैनल आपको ओपन करना है। फिर कंट्रोल पैनल में आने के बाद आपको सेलेक्ट करना है विंडोज टूल्स एंड देन आपको स्क्रॉल डाउन करके आना है एंड यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं विंडोज मेमोरी डायग्नोस्टिक। जस्ट आप उसको डबल क्लिक करना है and then you can see here there is two options to select. Which one you should select? Now first option is that restart now and check for problems, and it is also recommended from Windows. And now second is check for problems the next time I start my computer. So अगर आपको जस्ट राइट नाउ अपने लैपटॉप में इस टूल का यूज़ करना है तो आपको ऑप्शन फर्स्ट सेलेक्ट करना है राइट नाउ एंड देन इफ यू वांट टू restart or check this problem next time or sometime later, you can choose option 2. Now I'm going here to select option 1 and this will restart my laptop right now, and then you can see how it will work in the off screen of laptop or computer. So I'm going to restart it. Now you can see now my laptop is restarting right now, and here we are waiting for restarting, and then you will see a new window of Windows Diagnostic Tool will be appear on your screen, and in this screen you can see Windows checking for memory problems, and this might take several minutes. So normally it takes 15 to 20 minutes, and also it depends on the performance of your system, and also depends on processor. What kind of processor do you have in your system? Now here you can also see in the second paragraph it's stated that describing there is no problem have been detected yet. If there is any problem in your system, it will warn you here and show a pop-up message, a warning. Then we are waiting for the completion of it, and window will automatically restart after completing diagnosis. Now here I'm going to pause the video so that we can save our time and see something productive. So wait for a time. Now friends, you can see our first test is going to be complete. It is complete 98%, and now we have totally 2 tests we have to pass, and one is almost completed, and now again it will calculate 15% for the second test. You can see there is 2 of 2 tests, and now it's begin. Here I also would like to tell something uh, more about this tool. Here in uh, the last there is one thing more that you should look. There is a you can see in the left down corner there is a option. You can press F1 to see options, and then if you don't want to use this tool or you want to skip diagonalization to process right now, so you can press escape for exit. Now here I'm going to tell something options. What kind of more options it provides you for better memory diagonalization. Now here I'm going to press F1. Now some options are displayed here, and you can see there is a test mix, and first is basic and second is standard and third is extended. Now I would like to describe something basic test. The basic tests are Mats plus Invic and SCH checker case enabled. So it's a very normal test on upper memory, not the deeper side of memory. So that it's called basic test. And now you can look for standard. Here in the description, the standard tests include all the basic tests plus LRAN, Stride 6, case enabled, check AR3 and WMATs plus and window VC. So there is a more advanced capability. Standard test provides us for checking more deeply in the memory of our hard disk. Now you can look for extended option. The extended test include all the standard test plus MATS, Cation established, Stride 38 and VS checker and VS Stride 6 checker KR4 and VC checker 3, ERAN Stride 6 and Case disabled and checker 8. This all kind of possible tests and techniques are applied into the extended option of the test. So it's too better, but what I recommend from my opinion, I would like to say that you should normally, if you are a normal user of the window, so you should use a basic option. If you are managing a lot of data that is used for analysis, and or if you are using the data for business or employees details, so you should use a standard. If you have data something around 100 GB or 500 GB, so you can use a standard option. And if you have data in TB, you can use extended option. And you can come down and you can see there is also cache options, in which cache option you want to diagnose your hard disk. There is a default on and off. You can choose anyone, but there is default is better. And then you also can see the pass count. There's 0 to 15 and 2 is default. So what's the pass count? If a test is in process, you can give repetition to that particular test, how much time it will repeat itself. So that's mean of pass count. Now I'm going to back for reviewing how much our memory test is completed. So it's completed overall 55%. Now again I'm going to skip the video. Now friends, you can see laptop is going restarted, and now I'm going to unlock it, and after few time it will show you result automatically on your desktop. So bye bye, and take care for next videos, and how it video is becomes, tell in comment, and like, share and subscribe our channel today. Have fun.